Okay, hello dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. One friend asked why my pot looks clean. So this pot is a good pot. It's been almost 20 years or 15 years, let's say. So this is how I wash it. And this one does not have any oil in it. So I wash it like this. And this I will wash with scratch. Now it's completely clean. Rinse it. And that's it. Clean up everything. So this is the result. Sometimes it gets a little bit burned. You cannot do much about it. That's it. Bye bye, friends.